Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 271 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm very excited about this video and this recipe. I am participating in the Easter dessert collaboration with my good friend Elliott over at Baking with Elliott. He lives in the UK and he makes some awesome and delicious baked goods, from cakes to pies to cheesecake. And I had no idea what kind of Easter dessert Elliott's making, but it's going to be amazing. For our collaboration, I'm going to make Easter M&M cookies. And these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so soft, chewy, full of M&M goodness. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And these would be great to make with your kids. And this would be perfect for your Easter dinner. So grab your butter, your flour, and your M&M sugar, because we're about to bake some M&M cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter that I melted. And we're going to add in our sugars, a half a cup of packed light brown sugar and a 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream this until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 jumbo egg at room temperature. Mix that in. Next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of cocoa extract. Blend this all together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, next we're going to slowly add in 1 2/3 of a cup of self-rising flour plus a half a teaspoon of baking soda. That whisk. I'm going to slowly add it into the wet ingredients. Mix all together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what the cookie dough looked like. Alright, there's one more thing we got to add to it. The star of the show, I'm using 1 cup of M&Ms, and I'm using the Easter M&Ms. The pink and the purple, blue, yellow, and green. Those look pretty. I'm going to fold those in. Look at those colors. Alright my friends, I'm through folding in the M&Ms. Now it's time to put the cookies together. So using my spoon, I'm going to dollop a tablespoon. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish spooning the rest of my cookie dough and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake until they're nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my M&M cookies out of the oven. And it smells amazing. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to let the cookies cool for a few minutes, and then I'll plate them up and I'll give them a taste. I want to show y'all my Easter platter. Doesn't that look pretty? Shaped like a bunny. So now we're going to place the cookies on the platter. Alright my friends, there you have it. Easter M&M cookies. Don't they look gorgeous? And now for the moment of truth. Got my cookie right here. It's time for the tasting. Here we go. Chewy. Look at the M&Ms. These are so scrumptious. These would be a hit at Easter. Oh, I'm in love with these cookies. This deserves another bite. M&M cookie-licious. Wow, Elliott, I had a wonderful time doing this Easter dessert collaboration with you. I had a blast. And I'll post a link to Elliott's channel along with his Easter dessert recipe down below in the description box. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, and I'm going to wish all of you a happy Easter.